Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable the default Windows Photo Viewer application on our Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. So further ado, let's get started. First, open any of your browser and search here for an application like WinArrow Tweaker. Go to the first site. Now just click on the download option. Save this. Once the file is downloaded, locate this file on your computer. Now right click on your mouse and extract this folder. Now we can see three files here. Ignore the first two and open the WinTweaker app. Accept the agreement and we are good to go. After installing, uncheck this and keep the check mark on this one. Now click on finish. So we are on the WinArrow Tweaker. Now if we scroll down, we can see the Activate Windows Photo Viewer application. Click on it and now click on the Activate Windows Photo Viewer. Now scroll down and find the Windows Photo Viewer. Now click on it. Now you have to select the Windows Photo Viewer, set as default on everything. You can see the JPEG file. Select the Windows Photo Viewer and set on default. You can see that screenshot. If I click on it, it's showing the Windows Photo Viewer application. Now if we click on just once, then we can see the photo is opening directly to the Windows Photo Viewer.